Goedemorgen.
Goedemorgen.
Maayong buntag. Magandang umaga, Pilipinas. We are waiting for Len and her husband. We're still at the parking. We are on our way to EFTELING.
Yeah.
Yes. It's our third time. Not my third time. Roots, I don't know how many times he's been to EFTELING, but yeah, it's gonna be exciting because we will be there with our with my friends, Filipina friends who are also here in the Netherlands, and of course they will also be with their Dutch partners. So yes. So kasama namin si Sis Rose, lives Dutch Pinay, and si Sis Len, si Lovely Len. They are my YouTube friends, and we met for the first time during the Philippine Independence Day celebration in Harlem. And second time namin mag-meet ngayon. So, yeah, exciting siya. So, iba talaga, no, pag may mga kasama tayong Pinay ba. Lalo pa, mga Bisaya po sila. So, iba kasi yung, iba talaga pag same kayo ng, ng language. Humor ng Bisaya kasi iba. So, yun. So, nagkakasundo naman yung, mga partners namin. So, okay din. So, mga lang kami, mga 20 minutes or 25 minutes, and then we'll be there. Len and her husband are behind us, if you can see. Since nag-start na yung vacation season ng Netherlands sa North area, so we're expecting it would be busy in EFTELING. I hope not crazy busy, but we shall see. Weekend kasi ngayon, so wala tayong magagawa, busy talaga. So I hope the waiting time is not too long. Busy parking, we're already here. It's not so busy today.
Ja, you don't know. Kijk, ja.
We're here. So this is Len.
Hi! Welcome to the vlog of Jay. Mamalit.
Vlog. Before we go home, I want to buy some of that stuff.
Say hi to her vlog.
Say hi to
Hi,
the
vlog!
Where we are now? In EFTELING!
No practice. We're just gonna buy cap for Len's husband, and then we're also still waiting for Rose and her husband too, and her boyfriend.
For the vlog.
My man is so silly.
Maybe in the park itself.
Lovers in EFTELING. So, naghihintay pa rin kami kay Sis Rose. Nasa entrance kami naghihintay.
gaan mij vandaag kwijtraken.
Na siya. Busy ngayon, busy. Para sa imong mga Bisaya nga ko, Andy, kamusta?
Here, decide. Don't forget to subscribe, Lovely Len. And
On YouTube. Wala na yung vlog-vlog, mauna niyo rin.
I'm shy.
Sana all, di ba? Sana all.
Mao ni AFAM, mga Philippines. Oh. AFAM pa more.
Mao ni siya AFAM tagduha ka mo. Joke lang guys ha, pasin mo tuopod mo ha.
Ito. So, si Len ang magbahala sa akong vlog, no?
Lagi, naunsa na
Siya muna ang bahala sa vlog ko, guys.
Oh. Gusto mag-AFAM guys, oh. Kaulaw ba? Uy, sige ka-AFAM boy.
But if you lose and they go to the
That guy is Lovely Len's man and that guy is G husband. And we're waiting for Sis Liv.
Grabe kainit. Grabe kainit. Social kayo ang kuan ay kamera ni kuan G.
Na pinakahihintay ng lahat. Where's your Philippine flag? Where's your flag?
Ja hoor.
sugda na nawa ang orimos. So, we're gonna start the adventure. So, nandito na sila lahat. Ganiha pag yun tulo kalaki, nagsunod-sunod na mo. Nga nagyug ka ni sila, sige sila. Di ko alam bakit sunod sila na sunod sa amin.
Nana, may guwapa din no.
Ay, saan mo?
Busa mo din ha, din mo magmaritis no.
Kahit saan kami magpunta, sumusunod sila. Jima, joke lang, ay joke.
Lagi no, chika to the max.
Chika!
Balag mga pandol.
A few moments later.
So, we just got out from Piranha. So, ano siya, boat kasi siya. So, may tubig ba? So, basang-basa kami.
My pants and my shoe and
Piniga ko na po to yung yung shirt niya kanina. Para talagang naglalaba. So, me too. Anda ako sa loob ng sapatos ko. Ano siya? Yung medyas ko, grabe. This was our second time at the Piranha together.
yeah.
But last time, we didn't get wet. But this time, grabe ka basa. Friends are just getting food now. After here, where are we going to go?
I think that way.
That way.
That's way there.
Ang bango-bango ng popcorn ba, grabe. Nagugutom ako pero ayokong kumain. Ihing-ihi na ako. So after they grab food, ano na ako, maghahanap ako ng toilet. Grabe. Para akong umihi guys kasi yung ano ko, yung yung likod ko ang basa-basa. Grabe. So, iniwan ko muna si syrup guys kasi nahiya ako. Tinitingnan ako ng mga tao. Iniwan ko muna kasi ihi na ako. Malapit lang naman. Sis, kumusta inyo ang Piranha experience? How's your Piranha experience?
Oh, basa-basa sa ulan. Basa-basa.
Basa-basa sa ulan. So, chill-chill lang sa amin because it's really hot. But if you stay under the shade, then it's okay. Cool, medyo cool lang. Kabuya eh. There was also a line there. It was busy.
Yeah?
So, hanap po namin ng makakain. Hindi na ako masyadong gutom. Pero, pag palagi kang naglalakad kasi, gusto mo din kumain. It's really busy today.
No, it's not.
No, it is really busy.
It's not busy. No, it's really quiet for Sunday. Normally
For
it's like
Sunday?
double. Yeah, it's,
Okay.
for Sunday it's really quiet.
But ang
In a few
daming
weeks
tao,
when
guys.
Kan Ava so what
Huwag na lang mig-usa. Isa na lang yung kulang. Tapos, larga na kami. Lalarga na. Larga na ang kuwan. It smells good. What's that?
What hoor?
That is seisoen
This is some special.
Broche onox.
You know.
broodje worst.
It's makalek.
Bedankt.
Kung saan paghungit diri sa EFTELING be? Kita daw tabi.
Show us.
Hoy, gamay kong baba.
Representing Lanao del Norte.
Representing Maranao area. Mga unta guys, uy, kay gutom kayo. Malitong
Sige,
ka.
kaon sa dalasis.
Ay pait na mapa.
That I can't do.
I'm not going in there.
Me too.
Daar en hier ook nog eentje. Dus ja. Ja, dat is weer.
It's crazy.
It's not goes upside down.
Sis, that one?
Yeah.
It doesn't go upside down?
Nee, nee.
Are you sure?
Ja, I'm sure.
We're gonna try another
Ja,
ride.
tot zo.
This one's not fast, he said, and we're not going upside down. So, fast lang siya, but we'll see. Bantay ni sulot ba? Yan kami, oh. Kami ni Ruth. Bag ko talaga yung inatupag. Si Len.
A few moments later.
We're on the train going to London. Yay! So, yeah.
Harry Potter.
So, we're going to the other side of the world.
Yeah.
So, ato misa, we're going to wear Raveline and Drome Vlux. It's better to take the train para if you don't want to walk to that area, so it's better to take this train. So, ang tawag diri kay Station Timur or Station Timur. So, ano mo diri?
Kabalo siya sa station.
Sana all dyan na sila meron.
Tsura na ito ng labi. Wow.
Here we go! Raveline. But the Raveline show, the show's gonna start soon. The next attraction. So we are now in Switzerland.
Oh yeah.
Diba tayo, nag-ano lang kami. Nag-ano lang kami, nag-boat para chill muna. Ang bandera, oh. Diba? It's MacLeod. So, ayan na yung pagkain namin. Yung sa akin, iba yung sa kanila. Sirap kumain sa labas eh. So, kain naman na. Kain.
A few moments later.
So, that's our friends and that's us there. I already saw your picture. Labi na ang last na. That's us there. So, katatapos lang namin sa carnival and dito na naman kami sa may agilang ito. Agila ba ito? So, dyan kami. Ano na ngayon? Alas 5 na. Mag-aalas 6 na. So, kumusta? Kaya ba? Kaya? Whole day kaming naglalakad ah. Wak. That one was really crazy and really funny. It's so dark inside, but then it goes really crazy fast. Ay, naku. It's really crazy. See, we're going there. Kana siya. Funny. It looks really weird, bro.
That's nice how
Hier niks gezien. Zo omhoog gaan. Altijd spannend.
Oh my gosh! OMG!
Nee, dat gebouw. Heel ver achter.
So we're up here, enjoying the nice view.
Yeah. Hey, kijk, de birdie.
Oh yeah, it looks nice here.
Namis langit. Sis Glenn.
Oh,
Nakas langit.
ako sa heaven.
We can touch the sky. Dat is het hotel.
Oh, het is wel te doen zo.
Zijn niet heel veel wind.
Anak ako.
Nee.
So after here, we're going to the water show already, I think.
Yes.
I think.
Yeah. We're going to the water show, and then that's it. That's it for the day. Last part of the show.
Ja,
How was the show?
The show was great.
Yeah. More looks.
Show is not really perfect. The show must go on.
very wet.
Very wet.
And that's it. That concludes our adventure at EFTELING. So yun lang yung ating pa-vlog, no? So salamat kaayo sa pagkuan, sa pagkuyog. Salamat sa panonood and see you na naman sa susunod natin na vlog. Don't forget to like and subscribe sa aming channel. Lovely Len, Let's Touch Pinay, and of course GFam Vlogs. Salamat! Duy duy! Mush mush babush!
Shout out.